Let's give her a big round of appreciation as we welcome clinical nutrition Tisha.
Thank you. Are we all excited?
Yes.
So, how interesting is this topic? Why the silence? This is what is. Are we excited?
Yes.
Right. So, in one word, can someone tell me what is health?
Health is basically you have to take care of your body, immune system, and yeah.
Right. Amazing. Yes.
About our body fitness,
Right.
diet.
Right.
According to me, बीमार ना पड़ना मेरे
Very good. Nice. So let's deep dive into this topic, and 2021. Can anyone share what happened in 2021?
COVID pandemic.
Yes. What were the
2020.
correct? Good. 2021. So what do you mean by COVID, Ganesh?
COVID is a disease which is came from China. So it will affect all of the people who is low immunity.
Yeah. So it is a disease, a virus. which has infected the entire world. Right? That's why it's called pandemic. Right? So when COVID hit the world, any idea out of 100 how many people died of COVID? Out of 100. So the shocking number is 75% of death worldwide was not because of COVID, but because of
Lack of immunity.
other diseases. Right? Isn't that shocking? We are talking about two kind of diseases, communicable and non-communicable. I have mentioned there, the communicable diseases are like HIV, cholera, जो easily transmit होते हैं. But what are non-communicable diseases? Are lifestyle diseases, diabetes, cancer, heart disease, right?
Yes.
So is the difference clear on non-communicable diseases?
Yes.
Which one must have caused major deaths? We saw 75% was non-pandemic, but now which one of these 8 people are living with obesity, right? 2.5 billion adults are overweight. A study in 2024 revealed that over 800 million, that is 80 crore adults worldwide are living with diabetes. Right? These are lifestyle diseases. Mind you, again, lifestyle diseases. Right? Next slide, please. Now, the good news is that was shocking, but 80% of heart diseases can be avoided. 90% of type 2 diseases can be prevented, right? 1/3 of cancers can be avoided. How?
Exercise.
Yes, with exercise,
Proper
small sustainable dietary changes,
Yeah.
and stress management.
Yeah.
It's very shocking when my clients come and tell me that they are majorly focusing on gyms, on physical activity, but they are not taking care of food. They are eating whatever they want to, but are going to gyms. Does that help?
No.
No.
What has to happen there?
Plus exercise plus diet, food, and all that.
Exactly. It is a 80-20 ratio. 80% of your diet and 20% of your physical activity. But this both together is very important. Yes. So I spoke about NCDs, and I find this picture very intriguing. I mean, I just use this on maximum slides, presentations when I present. Look at the picture, it talks in itself, right? So the branches are NCDs, lifestyle diseases, and how can that be revived? by फसाद की जड़ों को उखाड़ने से. What are those? Can someone read for me?
Physical inactivity, alcohol abuse, unhealthy diet, and tobacco.
Yes, Ganesh, can you tell me what did he mean by that?
Ma'am, actually, it's that unhealthy process.
Yeah, so unhealthy lifestyle, right? Perfect. Next slide. Yeah, with that, hi, I'm Trupti Shah. I'm a passionate clinical nutritionist, and together with NLP and counseling, I help people. And I have been planted on this earth, and my purpose is to help people with their health, right? So, with that, we will start with a wonderful quote that I believe in. Your life is your message to the world. Make sure it's inspiring. I live by it, right? Okay, what is nutrition? Can I have your name, please, sir?
Sandesh.
Sandesh, what is nutrition for you?
Content foods.
Pardon me?
Food that
Food that?
contains nutritional values.
Perfect. And what's your name?
Harsh.
Harsh. Harsh, what is food? What is food for you? Correct. But do you know what is, it differentiated by?
Non-veg, veg.
Correct.
Proteins.
Right? We will see it in detail. Next slide, please. So, nutrition is the food that we eat, right? But it consists of protein, carbohydrate, good fats, minerals, vitamins, and water,
Fancy.
right? Including fiber. Can you wait? Can you see the plate here?
Yes.
So this is exactly what is nutrition. It is divided into some portions with some type of foods, which we will get to it later. But this is nutrition. Staying hydrated with good food, proper diet, perfect. Right? Next slide, please. Yeah. You are what you eat. The picture itself is talking volume. Right? What is this? Can anyone relate to that first image?
Caveman.
Correct. Stone Age. So we are evolving. But to what? Isn't this true today?
Junk foods.
Right? We are definitely not doing the right thing. So, food is thy medicine, medicine is thy food. Has anybody heard that? The food that you eat can be either safe and most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison. Everyone agrees? Right, next slide. Next slide, please. So you agree with this,
Yes.
Amira?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Means what the food we eat nowadays, unhealthy foods like burger and all that, they're not,
Junk
they
food.
contain some kind of minerals and all that. They are unhealthy. It's like a slow poison to us.
Perfect. Very well said. Great. Can we give a huge round of applause for her? Right? Being mindful is one of the, important thing to stay healthy. Yeah. So we saw food is medicine and medicine is food. So where are we going wrong actually? Where are we going wrong? Anybody? Where are we going wrong, Shweta? Okay, we'll see that. Next slide.
Mine.
Just a second.
Yeah. So where are we going wrong? We just heard from her. That is unhealthy lifestyle.
Mine.
Sitting on. So for you all are working from morning to evening. So that is a sedentary lifestyle, right? And all day sitting with no physical activity is also one of the reason, right? Browsing through phones through the day, watching movies, binge watching, series. Again, you are just not involved into any physical activity. So that is also not appropriate. Eating junk food. Whenever we are hungry, someone asked me today that, ma'am, you want to order something, right? What is the instant food that comes on our head?
Fast.
Fast food, right? So that is not healthy, right? And that is the cause of our evolution today. What we saw in the earlier image, right? Yeah. So this again picture depicts unhealthy lifestyle, junk food, unhealthy drinks, rest at home. Most of the time we are at home resting, but it is not resting, it's stressing. We are stressing all the time, stressing about our things that we need or we want to achieve. Instead of finding solutions, we are always focusing on problems, right? So that is also somewhere creating that negative emotion, right? Yeah. Next slide, please. Literally illiterate. Amira, can you share?
Yeah, literally means books, na, we're reading books and all that, and related only mobile, phone and all that.
पता मुझे सब है,
करना
right? I know so many things, and if I don't know, I have Google.
Yes.
But when it comes to following,
You don't follow.
yeah, we are ignoring. Why are we ignoring? Because ignorance is a bliss. I have some clients who just sleep over. To escape from their problems, they just sleep. Morning, evening, afternoon, because they don't want to face the reality. Right? So for me, this slide means knowing is not knowing. Doing alone is knowing. Right? Clear? Am I, making sense?
Yes.
Great. Next slide, please. Yeah, now we will talk about some brands, and now I will also tell you why I have picked these brands. So, McD, KFC, Jammu King are our go-to snacking options, right? In the mall, at the station, anywhere, even while ordering. It's easy, fast, and cheap. Right? Now, can anyone tell me the tagline for McD?
I am loving it.
Perfect. I am loving it. I mean, look at it. A unhealthy burger filled with trans fat with palm oil. I am loving it. And where is it leading us to? What is it leading us to? Second, KFC. Anybody? The slogan for KFC?
You're looking good.
Finger licking good. Jumbo King? Burger of India. India, my country. I love my country. How emotional that is. Right?
गणेश गुगल मीटवर ऐकायला नाहीये.
Next slide, please. So we spoke about brands here. Brands are playing with our brain and emotions. Do you agree? Do you agree? Right. So look at that. Coke. What does Coke say?
Open up to open happiness.
Open happiness. 100 ml of Coke. How much sugar does it have?
26% calories.
10, calories, right? 10 grams of sugar. 100 ml. और हम लोग कितना पी जाते हैं एक बार में? I am not able to quench my thirst. I need more. I have allergy from water, but I need Coke, right? Better with Pepsi. See, they are enjoying, but that company and the food will be better with Pepsi. Again, playing with our emotions. Agree?
Yes.
No, one second. See, Manipal Hospital. Why do people go to hospital? Right? And they are promoting what? जो खाकर हम हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं and they are glorifying that. Why are we not able to see this? Right? Next slide. See the XXL, triple XL. Was this ever there before? Long ago, right? Now we see stores which are only plus sizes available, right? So what I'm trying to say here is she definitely looks beautiful, and I'm not the one who will do body shaming, right? But the reality is not the dress size. Are you getting me? It's a grave issue we are just, closing our eyes to. Now these brands, XL, Triple XL or MACD or any brands can sell. They are selling, they are doing good. हमको पता है burger is not good, but it's still selling. Why? What are they selling?
Poison. Poison.
Pardon me?
Poison.
They are selling, but we are buying poison. You said poison, very well, but we are buying poison, right? Next slide. They are selling emotions and hope. Open Coke, open happiness. I am loving it. So the moment I feel low in life, the moment I feel sad, what I have to eat?
Well,
Burger. What will it make me feel? Happy. I am loving it. Right? Yeah, so like I said, I'm not body shaming and I would love to help someone who is struggling, but obviously that's a huge message there. We need to open our eyes to. Right? Stop being played by this marketing gimmicks. They are making tons and tons of money. Right? And in the end, after giving them the money, we are also again going to give the money to the hospitals. Right? Next slide. So they were selling, the brands are easily selling. You see MACD line lagi hoti hai and there are a lot of sales happening in plus sizes. Why am I not able to sell in my profession when I want to help people? I see, hesitance. Why am I not able to sell? It's very sad, but it's because of our emotional quotient. Right? Does it ring a bell? I am sad. I want to eat burger, like you said, right? But I don't want to talk about it to anyone. I don't want to take help. I don't want to seek guidance. Or else, like I spoke to you about a client who just wants to sleep all day, escape from the reality. So it's the emotions at play which we are ignoring, right? Boss ne jhaad diya. I'll go and drink a Pepsi because that sugar rush will give me some kind of relaxation, right? But why am I not able to face that reality and find a solution and get to the root cause of it? Are we all struggling here in this area, right? Dimag ki batti jalao. Don't let those brands make huge money, but make yourself healthy. Small step at a time, like we saw in the beginning. Sustainable small dietary changes. Stress management. Seek guidance, talk to your friend. If you're not able to talk, if you don't have any friend who you can share this, seek professional help, but get to the root cause. Right? Next slide. See, I can share hundreds of such motivational identities, but this touched me because I love what he said, and that's all what I want to share today. So that he was really embarrassed during the IPL season which he didn't perform well, and that's when he looked at himself in the mirror and saw that this is not something what I want to be, and then he took charge of his life. He made dietary changes, he worked on his physical activity, and that's where we see him now. Look at the transformation, right? Virat Kohli's transformation is a story of changing his diet and lifestyle to become fit and focused cricketer. It needs discipline. And what do we run from? Discipline. So if I want to get up in the morning every day and I'm really struggling to go for a walk, what do I need to do? What do I need to do if I'm struggling to get up in the morning?
You have to wake up.
I need to sleep early, right? But I'm busy browsing on my phone, My brain is activated when I'm sleeping. I have the thoughts from the world, but do any justice to my own life. That's where I think we need to just take charge of our life. Yeah? Your body is your asset. I say, come on, I want to see if you are really interested by what I'm
Asset
speaking.
means healthy. मतलब we have to get up early in the morning, yoga, exercise, meditation, and all that, na?
Correct. I think I see you doing that. You're quite slim. You're quite in the normal BMI range, right? Can we do a little exercise here? Let's do our BMI, right? And the formula is don't see this number. Kilograms. Your own weight divided by your height in meters into 2. Can someone do that? Okay, I'll do it for you. What's your height? What's your weight?
48.
48. And what's your height in centimeters?
4.9.
Okay. So, can you take the calci out? So, the calci is out?
Yes.
So, can we do that? 48 divided by
Period divided by
151. 1.51
0.51.
divided by 1.51.
Again.
Yes. Is equal to
21.0517 something.
21.5. So she is in her normal BMI. Right? So we have to find where do we stand. We have to know where do we stand and where we need to go. Agree? So this is in measurements. You can take a snapshot of this so you can do it for yourself and know if you are do you need any change, Yeah. Who am I? By now I think you all know who am I? Who am I?
I'm not. I'm in normal category.
Pardon me?
I was at normal category.
Normal
Oh,
category.
you are of course I think my 90% of the audience is in normal category and I'm so happy. Right?
Except
so
boss.
exact.
Boss.
And that's why he's not in this room. I'm sure he's watching. Yeah. So next slide. I am the one who designed your diet. Not with I am loving it, not with finger licking good, but yes, the plates that needs complete nutrition. Right? By now we know what is nutrition. Protein, carbs, fats, what we saw on the slide.
Calcium and minerals.
Perfect. Fiber, right?
Iron.
Yeah, next slide please. So this is how I bring shift in your plates, right? Shweta, being a mother, I'm sure your go-to food would be khichdi. Fatafat bana diya, convenient, right?
Convenient.
Fastest, you're hungry, you want to eat. So you can consider this as a khichdi, but that's not nutritional, right? So you know what you need to shift to. These are one of my most disciplined clients' plate, right? And look at that. It is balanced with complete nutrition, right? How to build a balanced plate? Just for your help, I have just given this formula here. 50% of your plate should be filled with veggies and fiber, 25% with protein, 25% with whole grains, plus good fat, healthy fats, right? Great. Next slide. So now we saw what is nutrition. What is the importance of nutrition? What happens if I eat unhealthy? भूख लगी है, मन हो रहा है, I want to eat a burger. What the hell? What difference does it make? Right? It will not give me enough energy, like you said in the beginning. My immune system will go for a toss. What does immune system going for a toss means?
Energy level.
Energy level, yes, but immune system going for a toss.
You're becoming unhealthy.
Unhealthy, I fall sick easily. I catch virus easily.
You can't fight with diseases.
Perfect, very well said, right? Again, a clap for her. I'm taking her home with me. Yeah. So we also, by having a good nutrition, we also prevent from lifestyle diseases. What are NCDs? Now, can anyone tell me, which I explained in the beginning? Yes. What are those?
It's not easily transferable, like heart disease, diabetes, and everything.
Perfect. Yeah, lifestyle diseases. So, a good nutrition will prevent us from these kind of lifestyle diseases, right? It will enhance mental clarity. Why food is connected to mental health? How is it connected? Anybody just, I mean, nothing is right and wrong. I just want participation so I know I'm making sense to you all. Yeah? Why food is related to mental health?
खून बनाने के लिए सब खाते हैं ना, तो खून ब्रेन तक सप्लाई करता है, ब्रेन से ही जुड़ा है.
Correct. So when we eat this junk food, unprocessed food, refined food, what happens is the functions in the body depletes, and when the function depletes, our gut is affected. Our gut is the second brain, right?
Digestion.
So when we say gut is our second brain, if our gut is unhealthy, straight connection to brain, and that's why stress, mental health issues, right? So that's why food is very important. Very common nutritional mistakes and fixes. So you all are working in office from morning to evening. Do you drink water all day?
Yes.
Are you mindful? Right?
4 or 5 bottles in a day. I think.
Very nice. So, some simple common things which we just actually overlook. As good as stretching ourselves. Just stretch in between, an hour so that you are not just completely sitting. Right? Overeating processed food. It's rush time, there's a presentation to be made, there's some, reports to be sent to the boss. What do I eat in a hurry? But can't I just pre-plan everything and keep my food time as a ritual? Eat slowly, chew slowly, and enjoy the presentation. Don't you think the work will be much better? The outcome will be much better? Emotional eating and cravings. When this happens? When we are stressful. Right? So we crave sugar because we are stressful. Sugar actually relaxes our muscle, our brain, right? Yes. Those were common fixes you can apply through the day, but for a long-term sustainable healthier life, be mindful about eating. If you're constantly hungry, be mindful about that. Why are you constantly hungry? Regular physical activity, since you are a working desk job, it's not possible maybe in the office hours, but you can do stretches in between, you can move around, walk while you talk. We have heard, right, one of the phone, yes, idea, right? So, but plan your physical activity. Either in the evening or in the morning or during weekday or something that you get, that balance. Quality sleep. Just an hour before your sleep, throw your phone away. Put it on silent. Right? Nothing happens overnight. You will have to build these habits. You will have to take one small step at a time. Right? Stress management. One second, I'll go to earlier. So this is very important. I call this muthi. Dietary modification, hydration, stress management, physical activity, and my regular medical checkups. So this is what I call health. You know, just make all this, everyone make a fist. Do you feel powerful?
Yes.
Right? That is it. Yeah. Make your family your priority. You know, most of our stress comes from not being in a harmonious family. We are not on the same page. Working hours, late working hours, not being there for your children, lesser outings. Imagine the amount of stress it builds for everyone. So make yourself and your family your priority. काम तो होता रहता है. कोविड के टाइम हुआ ना लाइफ, राइट? Yeah. That's my dad. That's my life. I lost him in 2017 with diabetes and multi-organ failure. So what I'm standing here today is he could have survived a little more, but he was so carefree about his life, not taking care of medicines, food, physical activity, you know, and we had to, you know, lose him because I will not blame him now, but yes, I think that's the emotion I carry. I want to reach out to every human being on this earth who wants help so that I can give a grand tribute to him, you know. And I really am passionate about preventive applied nutrition. What is preventive applied nutrition? Is something that you don't wait for a disease, you don't wait for a diabetes to change your lifestyle, but you are in a lifestyle where you don't get the disease. That's called preventive applied nutrition, right? That's my motto. These are my success stories. So, you can see the before and after. She is Shreya. She is a wife to a police officer. And you can see the difference. Now, why I write total fat loss here? Because most of us are always wanting to stand on the scale watching weight. Yeah? So, weight is not only about the number that reduces on the scale, but it is the inches. It is in a healthy manner. Right? So, you see the inches loss also? Second slide. Second success story. Again, a fat loss of 6.8 kilos in 2 months. You can see a visible difference, and those are the plates, all colorful. Slide please. This is Balaji. He lost 88. From 88, he lost 79. Again, fat loss. Right? See, those are his measurements that he keeps on sending me. Those are the shifts that kept on. Yeah. With that, I complete my session today, and I hope it has meant to you something. And with that, my takeaway from you is every one of you will share one small change you will bring in your life today. Starting with you. One small change.
Proper diet.
Pardon me?
Proper diet.
Perfect.
I will take nutritious food in my life.
Perfect.
Proper exercise. Exercise.
Very nice. You?
Sleep early.
Sleep early. Amazing.
You create a balanced plate that you mentioned 50% veggies, 25% protein.
Right. Right. I'm curious to know your BMI. Right? Yes.
I am already following. Like I was born 15, now 75.
Amazing. Big round of applause for you. That's an achievement. Yes. You?
Healthy foods, dry foods.
Great.
And proper diet and meditation.
Right. Is that your definition? I like that point he made. Proper diet and meditation. Why did you bring in meditation?
Properly help for meditation.
Mental health.
Mental health.
Mental health is important.
Amazing. Right?
Yoga.
Yoga. Again, yoga for?
Mental health and physical fitness.
And physical health. Perfect. I mean, I'm so in awe of this audience. Thank you so much. Right? So, why me? Why a clinical nutritionist? Because one size does not fit all, right? We need modification as per our lifestyle, right? That's my handle, right? So, any questions? सब समझ में आ गया. Everyone has just become healthy, right? Can one person give me a summary? What was, if it made sense to you,
Yeah.
please?
So this was all about how you can make your life healthy and how to calm your minds, how you can provide some or improve some nutritional well-being in yourself and working out in yourself only rather than depending on the other non-healthy foods and all. So you can start like from a food start from today's, then some dietary foods and then some leafy vegetables to avoid some actually some futurism.
Wow. Anybody else? That was amazing.
Summary was that the disease are spread by the lifestyle we have, mostly the non-communicable diseases. So we can cure that by applying some small changes, like everything mentioned, like balancing our whole day, what we eat and what we do in our lifestyle.
Right. Amazing. That really makes me feel happy. You know, you are really picking up the small key words.
In writing.
That's nice. Amira?
We should make a proper diet with healthy foods and all that. Avoid the foods, means junk foods and all that. And so we can fight with that diseases I told you earlier also. And we should get up early in the morning, make a proper plan. What we have to do in the morning, the working hours, and between we have to get up, drink water, be hydrated all the times, and we should go to bed early.
Wow.
We should keep in the mind and all that.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Amazing. With that, we end here, and I hope this brings one small shift in your life and you take off from here. Thank you so much.